We recently found a really cool way to create a better seal on your surgical masks. We will be attaching the links on the video for you to be able to view it in real time, but I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration of how it works. So most of us wear the surgical face mask and struggle with the fitting of it. And the app that we will be sharing with you will create a 3D print of a customizable seal that you can wear on top of your mask that goes like this. And I will show you quickly what the app looks like. So with your smartphone, you're going to go to your app store and you're going to search for the app called Bellus3D FaceApp. Once you have found the app, you're going to want to download it to your phone. So you're going to go ahead and open your app, and it's quite easy. It gives you the instructions on how to ensure that you use the app properly so it takes the right measurements. And because I've already done it, I'm going to go ahead and skip that tutorial. And as it's preparing for the scan, it's going to identify your face. And we're going to start the face recognition recording. So it takes a few seconds for it to capture the image, but once it does, it'll look like this. And now we are going to save. And we're going to look for the filter for the face, and it'll generate it. We're going to do the basic. It takes about 10 seconds to generate, and it'll show you exactly how the face mask will fit. So once you've done that, you're going to want to export your mask, so you can either decide to hide your face so you can only see the mask, and that's really what you're looking for. So once you hide your face, you're going to hit the export button and you're going to send that file over to me, and I will attach my email on the link as well. Alright guys, so once you guys have sent over that file to me, we will use that file to generate something that looks just like this out of our 3D printer. So I will show you really quickly how it will work once we've got that face print for you. So you're going to put on your mask like you regularly do, and the 3D print allows for you to attach any type of elastic to it. I decided to use some rubber bands just because it was a little bit easier for me to use, and I had an excuse to use colorful rubber bands because I like colors. So once you attach your little bands here, you will secure it to your face, and you can wrap around whatever type of elastic you decide to use, whether it's a cloth or rubber band or whatever it is you decide to use. It'll all work the same, but you want to make sure that whatever material you use will create that lock that you're looking for. And so now that it's all on, you want to make sure it's nice and comfortable, and it looks a little bit like this. And so as you can see, there is no airspace, there's no way for anything to come in, and it creates a perfectly sealed lock around your entire face. So I hope that this video is helpful, and if you are wanting to get a customizable face mask fitter, go ahead and shoot me an email with the attachment of the app, or the Bellus app, and we'll be happy to make it for you. So thanks guys, and have a great day.